Dear all, in this session I will be discussing most important current affairs questions during May 2020. Let us start the discussion. Moving on to first question. Which country has developed I Feel You, an intelligent bracelet which will help users respect social distancing rules? Option A USA, option B UK, then C France, and option D Italy. Italy is the right answer for this question. I Feel You has been developed by Italy. You can observe the diagram of I Feel You. This is one of the bracelet. The Giona-based Italian Institute of Technology (IIT) has developed I Feel You, an intelligent bracelet which help users respect social distancing rules. The main precaution for COVID-19 is maintaining social distancing. Bracelet can measure social distance in much more precise manner than a mobile application, and it does not track geolocation, so it ensures privacy. That's a peculiarity of this device. It's available in online. The bracelet uses radio signal. You can observe the diagram of this bracelet, that is I Feel You. The bracelet starts to vibrate when another person wearing to the same bracelet come too close to each other. So that's a peculiarity, and this is more advantageous to maintain social distancing. So these are the further details related to Italy. Capital is Rome. Then President Sergio Mattarella. Moving on to next question. Who is current Union Minister of Culture? Option A Prahlad Singh Patel. Option B Hardeep Singh Puri. Option C Rajkumar Singh. And option D ML Mandavia. Option A is the right answer. Prahlad Singh Patel. And the Ministry of Culture organized one webinar on revitalizing museums and culture space on 18th May 2020. Let us discuss the designation of other personalities. Hardeep Singh Puri, who is a Minister of Civil and Aviation of India, and Rajkumar Singh, who is a former Indian bureaucrat. And similarly, ML Mandavia, Union Minister of State for Shipping and Union Minister of State for Chemical Fertilizers. So these are the designation of remaining personalities. Moving on to question number 3. The International Cricket Council's ICC cricket committee chaired by which Indian cricketer has recommended the ban of the use of saliva to shine balls during the matches? Option A Kapil Dev, option B Sunil Gavaskar, option C MS Dhoni, and Anil Kumble. Option D Anil Kumble is the right answer. Let us read the details. The International Cricket Council ICC cricket committee chaired by Anil Kumble has recommended the ban of the use of saliva to shine balls during the matches. It will definitely help to mitigate the risk of COVID-19. Moving on to question number 4. Which India Post Zone has released a special postal cover dedicated to migrant workers? Option A Delhi, option B Mumbai, option C Chennai, and option D Gujarat. Obviously, the answer is option B Mumbai. Let us read more details about the Postal Department of Mumbai. It is one of the biggest post office in India, that is Mumbai GPO, one of the biggest post office in India and established in 1794. And the area is approximately 1 lakh square feet. So that is the peculiarity of biggest post office in India, that is Mumbai GPO. Similarly, which post office had been established at the beginning? I mean, which is the first post office established in India? That is Calcutta in the year of 1774. That is established by East India Company. Moving on to question number 5. Which of the following state governments launched to the Charan Paduka initiative for the migrant laborers passing through the Madhya Pradesh? Option A Uttar Pradesh, option B Bihar, option C Jharkhand, and option D none of these. Actually, government of Madhya Pradesh has been launched Charan Paduka initiative. So option D is the right answer. None of these. The Charan Paduka campaign was launched in Madhya Pradesh for the migrant workers passing through the state. Under the campaign, the migrant workers were provided with the shoes and slippers to reduce their pain. So that's a peculiarity of Charan Paduka scheme or Charan Paduka campaign organized by government of Madhya Pradesh. Moving on to question number 6. Amidst the border dispute with India, which country's cabinet has accepted a new political map showing Lipulekh, Kalapani, and Limpiadura under its territory? Option A Bangladesh, option B Bhutan, option C China, and option D Nepal. Option D Nepal is the right answer. Amidst the border dispute with India, Nepal's cabinet has accepted a new political map showing three places under its territory. The new map shows the northern, southern, eastern, and western international borders of Nepal. You need to remember one more important treaty, that is Treaty of Sugoi. So this treaty has been happened between East India Company and Rajguru Gajaraj Mishra. Moving on to question number 7. Who is honored with the 2019 Alexander Dalrymple Award? Option A Vinay Badwar, option B Sunil Dugal, option C Francisco D'Souza, and option D Gopal Vittal. Option A Vinay Badwar is the right answer. Who is the national hydrographer? Let us discuss more information about the Alexander Dalrymple Award and about Vinay Bharadwaj. The 2019 Alexander Dalrymple Award has been presented to Vice Admiral Vinay Bharadwaj, one of the national hydrographer, to the government of India in recognition to his outstanding contribution to Indian hydrography and across the wider Indian Ocean region. That's a speciality. One more important information. The Alexander Dalrymple Award was first awarded by United Kingdom Hydrographic Office. The short form is UKHO in the year of 2006. So this is the details about Alexander Dalrymple Award. Let me move on question number 8. The Union Cabinet has approved extension of Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana. Short form is PMWVY. Up to which date? Option number C is the right answer. Among this option, I can choose 31st March 2023 is the right answer for this question. Let us talk few more things about PMWVY. The Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana PMVVY pension scheme mean for senior citizens has now been extended till March 31st, 2023. Moving on to question number 9. Which state or union territory has started an initiative Sukhon COVID-19 Beat the Stress in order to spread awareness about psychological impact of lockdown and measures to be adopted to overcome them? Option A Kerala, option B Tamil Nadu, option C J&K, Jammu and Kashmir, and option D Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir is the right answer for this question. Let us discuss more on this scheme Sukhon COVID-19. The Department of Information and Public Relations, Jammu and Kashmir, has started initiative Sukhon COVID-19 Beat the Stress program. The initiative spread awareness about the psychological impact of lockdown and measures to adopt to overcome them. It will be telecasted on Doordarshan Kashmir channel every Tuesday at 9 p.m. Moving on to last question. Which company partnered with the Bajaj Alliance General Insurance Company to digital motor insurance policy to customers? Option A Flipkart is the right answer for this question. Four-wheelers, the motor OTS facility will allow customers to respect their vehicle themselves in order to check for damages. At present, CEO of Flipkart is Kalyan Krishnamurthy. So these are the most important questions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share this video with your friends. If the channel is useful, please don't forget to subscribe. For technical subject, you can refer my another channel.